Have you noticed that as TVs get thinner, the sound quality seems to get worse? You want that cinema experience at home, but you probably don't want to spend a fortune or clutter your living room with wires. That is exactly where the Assistrust soundbar comes in. Welcome back to Shop Smart. Today, we are doing a deep dive into this detachable soundbar to answer the big questions. Is it good? And more importantly, is it worth it? I've put the direct link to get the best price right at the top of the description below, so you can check it out as we go. But stick with me until the end to see if this is the right upgrade for you. Before we jump into the specs, I want to be 100% transparent. This video is not sponsored. I am not being paid by the brand to say this. My goal here at ShopSmart is to give you an honest, complete review so you don't waste your hard-earned money. If you appreciate honest reviews without the fluff, please hit that subscribe button right now. It really motivates me to keep making these videos for you. Now, let's talk about the biggest selling point of the Assistrust soundbar for Smart TV, the 2-in-1 detachable design. Unlike traditional soundbars that are just one long block, this model is incredibly versatile. You can snap it together as a single horizontal bar to sit under your TV, or, and this is the cool part, you can split it into two vertical tower speakers. This is a game changer if you have a projector setup, a PC gaming station, or just a uniquely shaped TV stand. If you value flexibility, this is a huge plus. But looking cool is one thing. How does it sound? Is it good? We are looking at 80 watts of power with dynamic volume boost. In plain English, this is going to be significantly louder and clearer than the tiny speakers built into your TV. It also comes with 3 equalizer modes. There's a music mode for clarity, a movie mode for deeper immersion, and a news mode, which enhances dialogue so you can actually hear what people are saying without cranking the volume up and down. While this won't replace a $1,000 surround sound system, for this price point, the audio upgrade is substantial. Quick pause here. If you are finding this info helpful so far, please tap that like button. It helps other people find this review too. Now, let's look at connectivity, because this matters a lot. The Assistrust soundbar features Bluetooth 5.0, so you can easily stream music from your phone, but for your TV, it shines with HDMI ARC and optical inputs. The HDMI ARC is a great feature because depending on your TV, it allows you to control the soundbar's volume using your regular TV remote. It also has AUX and USB ports, making it compatible with almost anything, from Roku and Fire Sticks to PCs and projectors. So here is the final verdict for our Assistrust soundbar review. Is it worth it? If you are an audiophile looking for earth-shattering bass, you might want to look at higher-end models. However, if you want to fix your TV's flat sound, if you have a projector and need separate speakers, or if you want a solid gaming setup on a budget, this product is a fantastic choice. It delivers clear sound, a clever design, and great connectivity without breaking the bank. If you've decided to give your audio an upgrade, I have a small favor to ask. Please use the link I placed in the description and pinned comment. When you buy through that link, you pay the exact same price, but it helps support my channel with a small commission. It allows me to keep making these honest reviews for you. Thank you so much for watching ShopSmart. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart buying tips. I'll see you in the next video.